Hi everyone, my name is Whalley and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for those who are new, welcome! Hi, I'm Whalley. It's nice to meet you. Sorry that you're catching me at such a rough time. I just got back from the gym. I'm tired, but we're gonna be doing something a bit different today. Normally watch videos and it's gonna be something to do with people, but today we are doing things all around animals. Because animals are cute and adorable, and they make us laugh sometimes, and that's what today's about. So today we're gonna be doing just a very easy video. It's something just about how animals bring joy into our lives. And I want to bring joy into your life because you gorgeous bean, bring joy into my life every day. Because you are beautiful. Something's on my lip. Cat hair. On theme. But yes, I also did say that. I was at the gym. I started up at the gym recently, and I can't wait to talk about that more later on. But let's see how far we can get together with you, because we're gonna watch some animal videos now. See how either they fail, they make us laugh or cry, or all three at the same time. Because you know, that's just my life. You know, if you're not laughing, you're crying. Okay, let's get going. It's a raccoon!
Sweet, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
Did we just get to a certain type of animal TikTok? Oh no! Oh, a pig! Why is there a pig? Why is there a pig? Why is there a pig? Scared the fucking life out of me. Oh my fuck. Oh my ho.
Gotta put it down more.
I'm scared too. Oh! Pelicans are demons. Poor baby. That dog must be in space. I was having a conversation like, yeah, now I'm going over there. Maybe someday. I have feet. That cat is looking into our souls. It knows it's going to wake up at 4 in the morning and sing you the song of its people for you doing this to it.
Heavy Tito Toby's.
That's cat. Okay. Yep. I'm jealous. Yo, I'm jealous. I want skills. I don't have any skills. The audio's on TikTok right now. Stop.
Doing annoying things to my dog that he does to me. Barking when he's asleep.
You better hug that dog right now! You said something vulgar to your puppies. Every retriever's like, you're my friend now, but why are you talking so spicy? Okay.
It is.
Guys, so he's sleeping right now. Watch this. Chapo. Chapo. Do you want a treat?
It's like my dog. Mention food. Bang. Your dog would just be like, you got something good. The baby wants a home. I hope that baby got a home. I guess we're laughing and crying today, oh boy.
Come on, puzzle.
That's adorable.
Buddy.
Flyby! It's gonna poop. Oh! Oh! I have one cat that really enjoys the water, and the other one, if you dare even try, your life will just be over. The cat will remove you from this planar, plane. This world. The cat will take you out in a suitcase. The cat has given up on everything. That cat and I are friends now. Let me enjoy my milk! If you made that all the way through with me, then I don't know if you were laughing, crying, or just both. Because it was all over the place. Honestly, when it just comes to animal videos, I remember TV shows back when I was younger, and they had like animal fails across there. It was so funny. I remember back when the cucumber was a thing. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this video today. It was wonderful. I'm gonna be having a few more videos coming out like this, whether it's gonna be with animals or it's gonna be some more fails or reaction videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell to know when my videos come out. But also, please leave a comment below about what your favorite one was from here. Anything that you do with this channel, honestly, is a great part of my heart because it helps the channel grow. And when the channel grows, it just means there's more amazing things we get to do together. But other than that, I hope that you have yourself a beautiful day, as beautiful as you are. Thank you so much for being here. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care and have yourself an amazing day. Bye.